Recently, US had attacked Iran's 3 nuclear sites.
A short time ago, the U.S. military carried out massive precision strikes on the 3 key nuclear facilities. Tonight, I can report to the world that the strikes were a spectacular military success.
But the thing that made the most news was the planes and bombs that the US had used.
Several B-2 stealth bombers.
B-2 Spirit stealth bombers.
The B-2 stealth bomber.
The B-2 bombers totally obliterated the site, claimed Donald Trump.
Firstly, there was this Northrop B-2 Spirit bomber, which is one of the safest and most advanced aircraft in the world. And the US had made it only for its own military. It doesn't export it to other countries, including its own allies. Then there are the bombs that the US used, GPU-57 bunker busters, which are the most powerful and advanced bombs in this category, and the only ones in the world to go as deep as 200 feet and destroy a target underground. Now, why am I telling you this? Why am I talking about US and its defense capability? Well, it's because the US has a system in place that allows it to stay ahead of every other country in terms of its military. It's a system where the government organizations work in sync with the private players, where the government provides initial funding and resources, and the private players innovate by competing with each other. And this allows the US to build weapons and technology which are crucial to its national security. It doesn't have to rely on imports from other countries for its core requirements. And well, this wasn't the case for India for a long time. For almost 6 decades, India was mostly reliant on other countries for the majority of its defense requirements. It was only in the last 10 years that India decided to take tangible steps to become self-reliant for its defense requirements. For example, we now have this thing called IDEX, or Innovations for Defense Excellence, where startups are offered grants ranging from 1.5 crore rupees to 25 crore rupees to research and develop new technologies. And this has allowed an explosion of new defense startups in India. And in this video, we'll talk about 5 of such startups which are truly modernizing India's military. So let's jump right into it.